Michaels. They come 5 in a pack. I already opened it, but this the label here. What I'll do is stick this on here like that. A mixture with purple. I wanted to bling it up just a little more. I'm gonna use this for a lid. I got these at the Dollar Tree too. And the green, these gold leaves. These to the side. These little circle crystal, like a sticky residue on it. Just a little bit. Barely sticks. I thought these beautiful ribbon strips. And I'm just gonna put some each around each. Like I said, they're so beautiful on their own. They don't need much. So I didn't have to use no hot glue right here because I already had the sticky resin on the back of it. And this particular rhinestone ribbon, it can go with any one of these bottles. Excuse me. So you just want to make sure it's right in the middle. any glue wells or anything off of it. Absolutely beautiful. Except the knobs came from Amazon. Thank you for watching. Okay, I'm coming back with the final results. Change it up a little bit. I made these light pink. I made it with the silver ribbon. I decided to put purple ribbons on the purple jars. You know, like putting my base fillers in. So I hope you enjoyed this video.